Here's an update to the other day. I put those other brakes back on to get it out of the shop. Since I need a caliper, and they also gave me the wrong brakes. So, I took it all back. They gave me the wrong brakes. I returned the rotors. And I did some Googling. So I bought some stuff from these guys, Auto Shack, before. So I figured, let's see. So, wow, I already opened that. What in the world? Oh, extras. There. Now it's open it. Oh, it looks like the right brakes this time. Yep. So anyways, took them back. Just the rotors, front and rear brake pads. I only got rear ones this time. 500 and some bucks from a local establishment. Calipers, you can only get used ones from local establishments. These guys, new, so no core on these ones. New rotors, new pads for like 400 and some bucks delivered to the mailbox through these Auto Shack guys. Whereas at the other local establishment, it would have been probably like 900 bucks. Maybe closer to $1,000, depending on how much calipers were. So, yeah, for the win. And I actually got the right stuff. So let's put it on. Yeah, look at that. Brand new, not rebuilt. Should be better than remade. There I go. I'm kind of shaky. So I just had to beat the snot out of this to get it off. This one isn't actually too bad. It wasn't wearing long. Still kind of shot. And guess what? Look at that. Oh, it lines up. Now we can take these, put them in their rightful place in the middle bin. So, look at that. This one, look at that, lots of life left in it. But these slides here that are there to make sure this thing kind of self-aligns. So as it wears, these slides move. So it's equal. But not very equal. But that one's no good because you buy them in pairs. So we got our new one. Oh yeah. Of course you're gonna be a bear because I only got one hand. I guess I got a mouth. Look at that. This one doesn't say Ford on it, but it's cheap enough. I'll take it. Look at that. Oh, maybe. Pull all these pieces out so I don't lose them. Should be able to see. You're supposed to move. What in tarnation? It's not moving. There we go. Yeah, there. It moves. It's just full of grease. Kind of suctioned. Yeah, there it moves. So that your brakes wear evenly. So hopefully that's the case. I like the new ones versus Reman. With Reman, like, who knows if they actually fixed everything. Oh, it's good enough, it kind of works. Out the door. But this is still good for core. Get that more like, wow. That's good for core, so that'll go on the shelf in case we need a core. Yeah, it's seized too. Here's another interesting thing. Brake cleaner. 98% or 99% of what this gets used for is for parts, not brake cleaner. But hey, today, new brake rotor. So let's get any oil off of it. That's kind of funny, ironic. Let's use the brake clean to clean the brake for like once. It's like the only time you ever do it. Almost never. Look, it's so shiny. Look at that. So shiny. Got full pads. New rotor. New calipers. Same on that side. Shiny. That'll do for another few miles till it seizes up and burns the brakes off again. But well, I guess we put everything back together now. And then bedtime.
Oh my goodness, we're combining!
First, I've gone like a few hundred feet into some peas. Canola, that's the canola. Here's our peas that the cutworms ate or pinola that the cutworms ate the canola out of. And I was like, we'll be able to just fly through this. Well, not so much. There's a hell of a swath here. And we actually got peas coming in, so that's good. Kind of filling up that side there, but yeah. The whole rotor's really working though. The straw spreader's spreading quite well. Spreading on one side, whichever side the rotor blows on. So it's not really spreading a whole lot on this side, but we are spreading the beaten hell on that side, mainly because the rotor kind of dumps over there. So, but she's really cooking. And I thought we could fly a little more, but no siree, there's too much swath there. And there we have the first dump of the season. I checked the back of the truck, so we're not going to make a pile. Oh yeah, grasshoppers, look at that. Some nice peas though. Nice yellow peas. There's no dust. So hopefully they're dry. They should be. Look at it, so smooth. That's not spinning very fast though. Should be, ow. Yeah. I think I better shut it down. We got peas coming out the back.